ওয়েলকাম ফ্রেন্ডস, স্টাডি সার্কেল। সবাইকে স্বাগত। হ্যাপি দিওয়ালি টু অল অফ ইউ। আর আজকে ইংলিশের একটা সাবজেক্ট নিয়ে শুরু করব। টুডে উইল স্টাডি দ্য ফিগার অফ স্পিচ। In my earlier videos, I have discussed about the parts of speech. Now, I told you that figure of speech I will discuss it in next video. So today is the video on figure of speech. Now, definition. What is a figure of speech? A figure of speech is a departure from the ordinary form of expression or the ordinary course of ideas in order to produce a greater effect. So what does it mean? It's a departure from the ordinary form of expression. So ordinary form of expression, whatever it is given in an English language, so it is being shifted, or the ordinary course of ideas, so it is being shifted in a wider sense in something else. So meaning is, so a figure of speech is a departure from the ordinary form of expression or the ordinary course of ideas in order to produce a greater effect. Now, classification. Coming to classification, those based on resemblance such as simile, metaphor, personification, apostrophe. These are based on resemblance. Now, for example, simile. If I give an example, as swift as a deer, so that is a simile, a comparison between a deer and someone else, whatever the object may be, whether it is a human being or something else. So here deer is the milestone being taken for comparison. So metaphor is also like that. We will discuss in next video each and every one. So today I will only deals with the names. Now classification, individual discussion will be there in next video. So those based on resemblance such as simile, metaphor, personification and apostrophe. Then please note it down in your exercise book if you want. Now those based on contrast such as antithesis and epigram. Number 3, those based on association such as metonymy and synecdoche. These are the two. Now those depending on construction such as climax and anticlimax. These are the basic classification. Apart from this, there are other figure of speech also. These are, I have written in a separate box. Altogether here it is 10 and there are many. So here is alliteration, then is irony, then interrogation, next hyperbole, the 5th is euphemism, 6th is oxymoron, 7 is litotes, 8 is exclamation, 9 is pun, and 10 is transferred epithet. So altogether here is 10 and here is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 in all. Altogether there are 20 figure of speech. Now it depends on the standard of means the person who is standardized in lower classes. We don't have to learn so much, but in higher classes and for competitive exam you have to learn all these. So in details it will be there in my next video. All this I will discuss, but today I have discussed only the names and classification, how it is being classified and what is the definition of figure of speech. So just to summarize an idea I have made in my last video, what is the parts of speech and figure of speech. I have told you these two things in English language. So today in my video there I have discussed this in a brief, the figure of speech. In my next video there will be in details on the figure of speech. So thank you for listening, and just a reminder to all friends and students of my channel, so please share this channel. If you like it, just subscribe it and press on the bell button so that all these informations arrive you in time. Thank you for giving us time. Thank you.